What's going on? This is Tim, aka Holly Wolf from Blue Ocean Academy, doing a quick chart breakdown here. I'm gonna jump right into it per usual. Quick 5, maybe 10 minutes, breaking down 2 to 3 pairs. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with GBP CHF. Let me go ahead and lower this a little bit. I'm a little too loud. Bring it back. All right, taking a look at GBP CHF on the weekly time frame. As we can see, we are on a overall downtrend. However, we are making a nice push up here. We do have this nice push led to a new lower high. If we're comparing it to our last high point here, we have a new lower high point. However, we do see a higher low point here on the weekly time frame. All right. As far as this week, we have been getting some bearish momentum here. If we look at price action, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop down to the lower time frames and take a look at what we see here. Okay. Now, as far as our structure, I do see a bearish push this leg here, and then we went bullish again. So overall, we are bullish on the daily time frame. And let me go ahead and take a look at the H4 time frame as well. Taking a look at the H4 time frame, I do see that we are still bullish as well overall. However, price action shows that we are pushing lower. Okay. Now, what I would like to see is a push below the price of 1.1426, and I'll be looking for some short positions. However, if the market can push above the 1.1488 area, I'll look to continue this bullish leg up. I am favoring the bullish leg. However, I'd like to see if they can push above this area here where there's obvious bearish pressure here. Okay, so I like a clear push above here before I even determine a buy. So I'd like it to look something like this: a nice push, a new higher high, breaking this market flow lower high. Okay, a retest of this level, and then a continuation up to the higher new higher highs here. Okay, as far as an overall look or an exit point, I'd like to take some profits here around the 1.1563 area. If we can't push any higher above that area, I'd look to target these areas here. All right, there's obvious levels of sellers in these areas, which is why I'm marking them off. They can get a bearish reaction if we do push above these areas and get passed through this resistance area, followed by this resistance area if it can get this high. But I'll let the market show its hand rather than predicting it. That's what I have for GBP Chief. Overall, looking for a bullish push. Again, if I do get a break below the 1.1425 area, I'll look to short it. However, I am favoring the buy. Let's take a look at some other pairs here. All right, CAD Jappy, clear bearish push here. All right. However, we haven't yet to see any buyers take control. Okay, so overall we are bearish on this pair on the weekly time frame. Taking a look at the daily, we are bearish as well. All right, we are in some consolidation, being that tomorrow, the 9th of December, is Friday. I could see it staying in this general area. However, I would like to see a push above, let's see, around the 171 area to look for buys, potentially taking out these levels here. All right, take out any stops that may be sitting here, push higher, possibly take out these levels as well. However, there is a lot of bearish push, so I'm favoring the downside or the sells. But before I go ahead and look for shorts, I'd like for some stops to be taken out. So let me tighten this area up here. Okay, we do have a lower high that led to this lower low. Again, we are in sideways movement or consolidation. All right, so I would like a push above the 170 area here, past this resistance area, to take this up to these levels at the 102 area. However, if we do happen to push below the 99.76 area, I will look to target these lows here, okay, which is around the 98.85 area. So as of right now on CAD JAPY, I'm sitting on my hands, letting the market show its hand, show me what it wants to do, and then go from there. Again, I'm favoring a sell overall because we have a bearish push. However, I would like for the buyers to step in, take out some stops here, and then continue its way down. If that does not happen, anything below the 99.76 area, I will look to short and take it down to the 98.82 area. Okay, that's what I have here for CAD JAPY. Okay, so let me take a look at some of the people's favorites, like Nas. Let's take a look at Nas overall. Okay, we did get a nice close here, this bullish close yesterday. Okay, I can see that they cleared this level here, so let me just mark it for anyone that might be visually impaired. Okay, there's a nice resistance here. Let's make it pretty. Hopefully this music doesn't put you to sleep. Okay, there's double top here. We're able to push through that, retest this level. It's been testing this area here. We did dip below it a little bit here, but it is holding these areas overall. If I can get a push above the 11,676 area, I will look to take this a little higher to around the 11,830 area. Let me take a look at the weekly really quickly. Okay, overall on the weekly, it is bearish. We can see some exhaustion here. All right, again, in consolidation as well. All right, we've been sitting here for a few weeks, so there is something major about to happen. Let me take a look at the lower time frames. Okay, we're in major consolidation here. Again, I'm favoring the buy. However, anything below this 11,427 area, I'll look to short it and go lower. All right, it is Friday tomorrow. Let's take a look at Forex Factory, see if there's any news. It's today, that's a little old. Let's take a look at the rest of the week. Okay, so we do have some USD news at 8:30 a.m. Be on the lookout for that, especially if you're trading NAS. Okay, I'll probably sit on my hands. Let me see, take a look at the 12-hour. Yeah, I'll sit on my hands for a few hours. Take a look at this at 5 a.m. See if we have an inside bar here. If this stays an inside bar, that'd be great in the next 7 hours and 45 minutes. If that stays an inside bar and then potentially pushes above this 11,678 area, I'll take it higher. If we do clear this level here around the 11,050-ish area, I'll take it lower. All right, that's what I have for tonight. Everyone have a great night. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, follow us on Instagram at BlueOceanFX. My personal page is _topnotchtim, and I'll check you guys soon. Peace out.